How to delete groups in Splitwise app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete group on Splitwise app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take is open up your Splitwise. After you do that, you should be able to see all of your groups on the groups section on the bottom right corner. After you're there, if you do not see a group, that you can just create one right here. Let me just create one so that I can show you how I can delete it. Create a group. Now you can add a member if you want to, and yeah, do all of that. And after you do that, you can simply head over to this section again, groups, where you will find the groups available. Tap on the group that you want to delete. Head over to the settings that is on the top right corner, and here you can either leave the group or you can just delete it. Tap on the delete group option to delete the group itself. And as it says right here, just delete the group if you're absolutely sure you want to delete it, and this will remove all the users involved in the group. So just tap on delete group if you're sure of deleting the group, and that should be it. That is how you delete a group in Splitwise app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.